In this video, you'll learn how to enable dark mode in Perplexity AI. This feature allows for a more comfortable viewing experience, especially in low light environments. Begin by opening the Perplexity AI application on your device. Ensure that the application is fully loaded and ready for interaction. Next, locate the profile icon, which is situated in the bottom left corner of the screen. This icon typically resembles a user silhouette. Click on it to proceed. After clicking the profile icon, a menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled Preferences. This will take you to the settings area where you can customize your viewing experience. Once you're in the Preferences section, look for the category titled Appearance. Click on this category to access the options related to the visual layout of the application. Appearance section, you will see the option for dark mode. Select this option to enable dark mode for the application. As soon as you make this selection, the interface will update immediately to reflect the new theme. It is important to note that enabling dark mode can significantly reduce eye strain in low light conditions. Additionally, if you experience any delays in the interface updating, it may be due to your device's processing speed or other applications running in the background. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.